What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a little bit of fun and we're going to do a look I have never done before, and that is we are kicking it back to the 80s. Yes, so we're going to have fun. We're going to be very colorful today, and then I have a surprise at the end of the video. So I'm going to start out. As you can see, I didn't go like super heavy with foundation and stuff. And my face is like severely breaking out. I don't know why. Maybe because I've tried some new products this week. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Today's look is going to be extremely colorful because, let's be honest, in the 80s, everything was colorful. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start out. I'm going to get a big fluffy brush. I'm going to dip into a super pigmented pink color. I'm going to put that in, because today's eye look is all about color and being as colorful as we can be. I feel like back in the 80s, it was just like boom about the color. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. It wasn't all about the crazy looks or the looks that we do nowadays. It was just about having a very colorful eye. And 80s fashion was all about color. And so that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so we're going to do pink first. Then I'm going to lay this blue on my lid. Hopefully this turns out how I see it in my mind. I did not do a dry run with this, so we'll see. But I'm super excited about the end of this video. I grew up in the 80s. I was born in 81, the end of 81 actually. So I don't remember too much about the fashion of, oh, look how pretty that is. The fashion of the 80s, really. I remember some of the toys of the 80s, like Teddy Ruxpin, trying to think what else. Legos. I don't know what was like super popular toy-wise, because I can only remember so much. But yeah, my mom was like all into fashion with her Jordache jeans. And so yeah, I probably should have called my mom and asked her like what her favorite eye color was, but I didn't really think to do that. But as we know, back in the 80s, it was all about super bright colors. It was about music. It was about hanging out with your friends. I feel like the 80s was probably like a super fun time to be a young adult. I love 80s movies. Ferris Bueller's Day Off. I just love 80s. I'm getting a little messy, but that's okay. Ooh. I feel like I kind of look like, what's the lady from the Jerry Show? That's how I kind of feel like I look. So I'm going to go a little bit higher than this, because we are going to go over this blue. We're going to kind of blend them together. Okay, so now that I have the blue on there, and like I said, I kind of looked at pictures. I have not studied 80s makeup, so I am not 100% sure really what the technique was or anything like that. Never really done 80s makeup, so I don't really know like the true color schemes or anything like that. Ooh, this is kind of staining. I kind of just looked on, I Googled it, to be honest. I Googled it and then I was like, okay, I can do this. So now that we have that blue down, this eye is way messier than the other one, but that's okay, because now we're going to take a different brush. I feel like makeup was fun in the 80s, but I don't think that they took it like too terribly serious, you know, like we do nowadays. I mean, I'm sure some people did, but I don't feel like it was taken serious like it is nowadays. Maybe because we have so many folks on the internet. Ooh. Okay, well, I guess we'll be taking blue up underneath our eyes. I'm going to take, and I'm going to go into a purple color. I'm trying to see. I think I'm going to go into this color Groovy. And I'm going to take this into the crease of my eye. Just because I want to blend. That might not work. I might need a little bit of a stiffer brush. Let's see. Just because I want to kind of marry this blue and this pink together. Woo, that is bright. Bright, bright, bright. I look crazy. This is crazy. This is a very, very colorful eye look. Hey guys, let's go to the mall. I feel like the 80s probably was such a fun time to grow up, to be like a teenager, you know? Let's see, I was born in the end of 81 in December, so, well, hold on. I would have been like up to 8 years old, so yeah, I was too young to really know too much about it. So now that I have those bright colors, I want to go into like a little bit of a darker blue. Just on, ooh, that is, ooh, dusty. Just right here on this outer corner, just because I just want as much color as I can. I'm gonna have to blend out that edge a little bit more, but yeah, I want to go a little bit darker right here on the outside of my eye. So I just thought it would just be something fun to do today, just because I do usually more serious kind of looks and stuff. So I just thought we would have fun. We would do a theme today. So since I got that blue up underneath my eye, I'm going to actually go up underneath my eye with a blue. I'm just going to take it up underneath my eye. This eyeshadow is very powdery. Very, very powdery. So I just want to make this really, really colorful. Just ran that straight into my eye. Woo! Right into my eye. Hey guys, we're going to the mall. Okay, so now that I have my eyeshadow on, it doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. It was about having fun. Let me get this out a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that on, one thing I noticed in pictures was blush was like a huge thing back then. Like, it's almost like they contoured with blush. So we're gonna do a little blush. So I take, because Lord, I am very scared of this. So I'm gonna dip into this Jimmy Vanderver palette, and I'm gonna go into this bright pink because we're keeping with that bright color theme. Okay, I'm just gonna. Ooh. I'm blushed to the gods. So pretty. So I'm gonna do this side now. And it was almost like some of the pictures I saw, it was almost like they kind of contoured a little bit with their blush. So that's what I'm kind of doing. I'm just kind of. Because we're blushing. Okay. Alright. So now that we have this crazy, I feel like I need a little bit more blush. Blush it up. We're just gonna go super heavy with the blush. It was about bright colors back then. They had fun. So here we are. Okay, we've got this blush. I'm sorry, Mom, if you're watching this video, but this was not it. Okay, so now we have our blush on. And let me tell you what, back in the day, They were not too concerned about colors clashing. Okay, so now that I have lipstick and stuff on, and gloss, I put a lot of gloss on. I'm pretty sure that they wore gloss back in those days. I didn't really look and see. Alright, now that we have the lip gloss on and stuff, let me go do, let me go do these lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I went and, just got my hair permed. I'm like ready to go to the mall to get something to wear to the Madonna concert. So yeah, this video was just for fun, guys. This is we're just having a little fun. Sometimes you can't see that. Sometimes you have to have a little fun. All of these videos on my channel can't be serious makeup tutorials or serious things all the time. So sometimes I just want to have a little fun. I hope you guys meet me at the food court at the mall. We can grab a tab, cola, and some Doritos. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know how my mom's hair was done back in the day. I don't think Rick Rock was this serious back then. But yeah, I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay tuned because today is a double feature day on my YouTube channel. So there'll be another video after this. This hair is like out of control. Girls, I don't know how you do it. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed it.